Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's the Lock50 team, the official team from the UK, presenting to you a demo on a Land Rover Defender 21 reg. We have the car to be demoed in alarm state for you. So this can work all the way to 24 year, any model that is a PEPS system. What we have today is our Lock50 Hw04 device. We have at the moment the customer's got an original key already. Yeah, what we're going to do is put the car in alarm mode and open it with his blade, and we're going to do the job in alarm state and then reprogram this key and one other key, an aftermarket HW13 Lock50 key, into the system. Then what we're going to do is show you also in the locked KVM add a genuine key. Yeah, original PEPS key without changing any modules. All of this job is happening without changing any BCMs. The car is updated to the very highest security, and we're about to begin. We've got our Lock50 kit here. Usman is our technician for today. He's going to now open the vehicle for you and set it in alarm mode. Once the alarm is activated, we are going to log in through OBD.
Okay, welcome guys. Hello, my name's Usman. Here we're going to put the vehicle into an alarm state now.
We're going to plug in through OBD now.
As you can see, the vehicle alarm is on.
Right, we're ready now. We're going to scan the car. So here we're going to log into the RFA. We're going to check the RFA state. Obviously it's going to be locked and it's going to be in alarm state. So it's going to finish scanning the vehicle. We're going to quickly come here and show you the modules. You can see all of these modules at the moment. I'm going to come back down to the PEP system, and here you can see it's in arm status at the moment, and we can't communicate with anything. You can not talk to any of the modules right now. Now we're going to plug into the RFA adapter. This is the HW03 C adapter, and with this we're going to connect to the RFA now into the boot, and we're going to connect the laptop to the boot, and we're going to make this key that way now. Bonus one.
Okay. So we're taking off the OBD connector. We're disconnecting the OBD cable. We'll leave that to the side for now. And for this, we're going to need the Lock50 adapter, hardware 03C. Yeah, and that entails a Y cable attached to the Y cable. So you're going to attach the Y cable, the single side, like this, and that's your Lock50 prepared and ready now. And on the other side we have two connectors. So now we're going to take this to the RFA.
Obviously we won't be able to open the door, so at this stage, while it's in alarm mode, we need to unplug the RFA from the back. So on this time we're not even going to be going through the side door, so I'll just go get the laptop back, but I'll show you exactly. We're going to unplug this RFA right now.
There you go, RFA is unplugged.
The RFA is unplugged now.
As you can see, there's one side of the cable.
This is what we need access to. I'll just go get the trolley back again. Okay, Usman. Now we are plugging in the RFA adapter that came out from the RFA.
So just showing you here.
So
RFA.
we've got the customer's key at the
This
moment,
one,
which
yeah?
is not working because we've got the RFA disconnected.
Okay.
We're going to learn this, and we're going to learn a HW13 key, which is an aftermarket key. Let's go, Usman. We're going to start by plugging the original key on the reader.
Goes to the RFA.
So hold the original key on the reader.
This
Let's
one
start the
here
process.
into the RFA.
So we've got the original key on the reader. We're going to read this key. Next key, Usman, please. Yeah, that one's currently programmed. Our HW13 key.
Yeah.
The non-original key right now. This is on the reader.
Yeah. HW13
Yeah, on the reader itself.
on the reader.
Now, click continue. Press yes. All done. Now we are ready. Yeah, two keys are programmed, the existing one and the new one. Now we're ready to plug in the RFA back, Usman. Yeah. And then both these keys will be active and fully working. Then we're going to demo to you how to add a further key into this vehicle without changing an RFA as well. So all we're doing is unplugging the hour connector, plugging back the original RFA, and we'll take both the keys out of the car for now. So this is the original key. We know that would work anyway. We'll put that over here. We want to now test with our new key. Right, the alarm is still active.
Ready.
Yeah, the RFA is plugged in.
Here's
Our new key is ready. It's in the hand. Alarm is still on. Press the button. Alarm is off. This key is our new key now. Yeah, we're ready to start the car. Let's press the start button. This one.
Vehicle started.
Vehicle started. Everything is done. Let's check the keyless function for you as well. Open that door if you want now, Usman. We can exit from there.
Not yet. Just unlock the vehicle.
Yeah, unlocked it again. Oh, it's got child lock on there. One moment. So now everything's done. We're just going to show you the keyless function. Remember, the other key is still over here. The original one that came with the car. We're going to come back to that in a minute, but this is our current key, the aftermarket key. We shall now log out from here. Lock the car. Everything's locking. We'll test the keyless function on this key now. The key's in the hand. Press the button. Everything's active. Let's press the start button. The key is fully done. Fully working. We shall test you the original key now that the customer had originally. So I'm going to put this in its place over here. That's on the floor. This is the original key for the customer. Still working. Usman, just close the door, please. We're going to plug in through OBD next, please. So now, again, keyless is fine on the original key. Car starting, everything's fine with the original key. Now we're going to go and do something else. Just want to plug in through OBD, please. We're going to need both the keys here that we made. In the car, we'll go through some software functions, how everything works, how the Lock50 scans the vehicle. Right, let's start the scan now. We can go back from this option. We finished from the duplicator. We're going to start a new scan now in the vehicle. We've got our two keys on the dashboard here. The car's scanned. So we're going to scan the car as normal now. Alarm has been activated. Deactivated. We've got spare key made. It's fully working. It's fully keyless. 5 minutes have not passed. Now we're going to do some more magic. We're going to run you through the software, also one of the most advanced functions. where in the locked KVM we can add a genuine key now, and this is without any module changes. All this is happening. Remember, cars and alarm stay could be any model PEP system. Up to 24 edge is all supported. Could be the new Sport, old Sport, could be the Defender, whatever. So now when we go to modules, we can see more modules, because we actually got the alarm off and we're in the car. If we come back to our PEP system, it's going to tell us a bit more information. Look, it's the module is locked here.
In red.
Yeah, in red. So now we're going to come back down all the way, go to key learning, and we're going to now add an additional key. We'll put an additional key into the reader, onto the vehicle. Yeah, we're going to put our key on the reader. So
Yeah, thank you.
so plug one of the Lock50 keys on the reader. This is a genuine key now, which has not been programmed in this vehicle before. We shall come back to the software, press OK. It will detect the key, press next. There we have it. The third key, which is an original key, has been programmed in. Do we want to program more? We don't. It's just going to write the BCM data, and we will now test this original key that we've just done. Place all keys on the seat. Now we need to put all three of the keys on the seat itself.
3 keys.
Yes.
On the passenger seat.
Everything's on the passenger seat. Back to the software. Press OK now. The cars are on the keys are on the seat, and it's going to write you the BCM information. So basically, this is a locked module we've just demoed for you, and inside it 3 keys have been added. We're now going to take out both the keys, which originally the original one and the aftermarket one that we made, and we're going to test this third key now, which is the original one, this one here that we've just put in. So these keys here, all 3 of them, I'll put 2 to a side, and we have the new genuine. Just close the door for me now, please, this one. So now we're going to lock everything again, and this is the genuine key, the third key now, made by Land Rover with full PEPs. We're testing this one. Open, close. Let's test the keyless. Keyless is fine. Let's test it. Start. Everything's fine. So there you have it. Under 10 minutes, you can have an aftermarket key programmed. You can have an original key programmed in the latest vehicles after 21 plus. The ones before this, you can make a backup key, which is a non-genuine key, and turn the alarm off. The most advanced functions in the world we just demoed for you. Thank you for your patience. More videos will be coming soon. Lock50. You have a nice day. Thanks for watching.